Hi everybody, I'm Allie.
And I'm Bridgette.
And we are going to show you one of our newest Potomac crystals, the Potomac Cylinder. So we just got these in, just hung them up, and we are excited to start actually using these. They solve that kind of mystery of what to put in elongated spaces. So this is the first project that I've actually done with them. This is the crystal lattice bracelet. And I started this design like months ago with something other than the Moby Dough. They weren't here. I think I had a super do in there. But it was that weird, I don't know what to put in that gap.
You do multiple seed beads or multiple
and then
crystals.
You lose the look of it, and it's just not, it just doesn't do it for you. So we got in these Potomac Crystal Cylinders. And size-wise, what are they?
2.5 by 4.5,
so,
I believe.
Yeah, 2.5 by 4.5. So you can think about them as if you put the like 1.5 by 2s, two of them stacked next to one another, that would be the idea of the ones as well too. And when you're thinking of bugle beads, they're basically like a thick bugle. I should have bought a regular bugle back, but bugle beads, they come in 3 and 6 and 12 for some of those different
kind
bugles.
Of right in the middle of those.
Yeah, right in the middle. And the bugles, they look really stiff to me.
Yeah. I agree.
The crystals, because they have that beautiful facet to them, they don't look stiff. They look a little bit more wavy.
I think, yeah, and they look a bit more delicate. And because of the facets, and I mean, obviously because of the crystals, it's just nice with that little bit of bling in there.
Little bit of bling, extra bling. Yeah, and I kind of want to like dump them out so you can see. And they are crazy sparkly. As I was working with them, I kept kind of like turning my head because of all that sparkle and bling as I work with them. But I like how I just stuck in the design at kind of a 15 on either side. If you're working with seed beads, an 11-0 cylinder or 11-0 seed bead going on both sides of the cylinder will kind of cap it. And I just thought about this to try to use, because they are that 2.5, they would look cool. We'll have to do something with teacups.
Oh yeah,
then we could put little teacups
kind of right on the
either
edge.
side.
Yeah, that's true.
And we can use that. And also a little demi round in an 8 actually would probably fit really well, since they're a little bit smaller, that you could use with the crystals. And they really do go hand in hand with other crystals that we have.
Right.
But I was even thinking, as I was playing with them the other night, kind of tubing them and getting them ready, even just in a simple like cube shape.
I was thinking that too.
Just in that kind of triangle or a square shape, stacking them one on top of another. I feel like these are kind of instant earring beads. That it's not like that normal, you're expected, the bicones, they sit next to one another. When you're looking at the cylinders, it's kind of that unexpected new shape. So it's not, they kind of are a rice shape, they're a cylinder shape. They look a little bit more rice because
like
kind of puffed
like
in
the cooked rice.
They're cooked, yeah, there's some cooked rice there without that elongated ends. And I think adding some 11-0s on the end really kind of encapsulate it. And then, yeah, I'm excited to try the demi rounds. We have it in a variety of colors, but I think the demi round 8s will fit in there really nicely, or the Makey spacers in the 8s as well, to kind of cap on the end. But we'll try them with teacups too. That can be our new challenge. We'll try.
I think
try to see what the teacups bring. Yeah. But because they are that still delicate here, kind of lining them up, the 2.5 by 4.5. You still have that nice delicate look of less than 3 millimeters kind of along the side. Because they do puff out, you're probably getting right about 3 millimeters if you're going along the side, right between them all. And I think we have them in all of our standard colors so far, kind of that whole rainbow of the color that we've been doing the different crystals and introducing them, so that way if you need the purple color to match the necklace, the purple color is there, and you can get them
in everything.
Have them in everything. And we'll go through and kind of redesign and refigure and figure out some new shapes to use with them. And I would also say, if you do have a pattern that you have some of the rice, I know there's been some rice pearl patterns and some patterns for trying to think what else would kind of look fun in there that are 4.5, so about any 5 millimeter bead. Try them out, see what they look like. Give your project a little extra bling. If you do need to purchase any from us,
down below.
Down below, we have the link that you can purchase from us online at PotomacBeads.com. You can also give a little thumbs up to us and like the page.
Like and subscribe, and you'll get all of our updates for any new videos, any new tutorials, and all that fun stuff that we have for you.
And the highlights of new products as well, that you get your first look at them. And check out the Potomac the Potomac cylinders to go along with the rondelles and the rounds and the bicones. And this is kind of, I feel like, the missing link that we're going to have fun experimenting and playing with. So thanks so much for watching, everybody, and have fun playing with your cylinders.